Dylan, be careful. You climbed up all by yourself with no help. Hi. Be careful, don't fall. Uh-oh. You are doing it all by yourself. Only 7 months old. Amazing. You're strong. You're a strong boy. Uh-oh. Hold on. Hold on. Maybe I should record you climbing up on the couch so we could show our viewers. Let's do that. Let's do that. Let us first take you down. And now, did I make you mad? Get up. You could do it. You could do it. Let go of the binky. Let go of the binky. There you go. You could do it. You could do it. 7-month-old baby. He is so strong. There he goes, there he goes. Do it, Dylan, you can do it. Yay! Good job. Oh my God, you are so strong. Your brother never did that. How is that possible? Good job, Dylan. Good job. Good job, buddy. Hey, you're gonna fall. Uh-oh. Good job, buddy. Yay! Yay!